Beauty 623 heavy on the ILS runway 12.
Beauty 623 heavy, Miami Tower, runway 12, clear to land, traffic landing runway 9er, Boeing 737 will hold short at the intersection.
Copy, clear to land runway 12, Beauty 623 heavy.
Portugal 223 heavy, Miami Tower, runway 12, clear to land.
Clear to land runway 12, Portugal 223 heavy. Scandinavia 953 heavy, final runway 12.
Scandinavia 953 heavy, Miami Tower, keep present speed as long as practical, runway 12, clear to land.
Keeping up the speed and clear to land, Scandinavia 953 heavy. Tower, good day, Airline 7210 heavy, ILS 12.
Berlin 7210 heavy, Miami Tower, reduce to final approach speed, runway 12, clear to land, traffic landing runway 9er, and Airbus 321 will hold short of the intersection.
Airline 7210 heavy, reducing final approach speed and clear to land, runway 12. Afternoon, Miami American 57 heavy, visual 12.
Afternoon, American 57 heavy, Miami Tower, runway 12, clear to land, hold short of runway 9er, traffic, an Airbus 319 landing.
Clear to land 12, hold short of 9, American 57 heavy. Miami American 113 heavy for runway 12.
American 113 heavy, Miami Tower, runway 12, clear to land, hold short of runway 9er, traffic, Airbus 319, correction 320 landing.
Clear to land on 12, hold short of 9, American 113 heavy. Australia 6123 heavy, final, ILS minus.
6123 heavy, reduce final approach speed, runway 9er, clear line, wind 100 at 10, traffic in position, heavy 76.
Copy, clear to land, runway 9er, reducing final approach speed by 6123 heavy.
Dynasty 5384, this runway 29, approach final.
Dynasty 5384 heavy, Miami Tower, runway 9er, clear land, traffic is a Boeing 757 landing, runway 12, hold short of your runway.
Dynasty 5384, clear to land, runway 29.
Dynasty 5384 heavy, you don't have to hold short, the traffic's holding short of your runway.
Copy that, Dynasty 5384.
Tower, good afternoon, Lufthansa 462 Super, ILS 09.
Lufthansa 462 Super, Miami Tower, wind 090 at 9er, runway 9er, clear to land.
Runway 9er, clear to land, Lufthansa 462.
Speedbird 207 Heavy is on the ILS to runway 09.
For 207 Heavy, Miami Tower 11007, runway 9, clear to land. Caution wing towards Heavy 76, will be departing prior to your route.
Clear to land, runway 09, Speedbird 207.
Tower, good afternoon. Austrian 907 Heavy on the RNF 12.
97 Heavy, Miami Tower, runway 12, clear to land.
Runway 12, clear to land, Austrian 907. Miami Tower, American 207 Heavy is 8 miles out, runway 12.
Again, 207 Heavy, Miami Tower, runway 12, clear to land. Traffic landing runway 9 or Airbus 319 will hold short of the intersection.
Clear land, runway 12, American 207 Heavy.
Tower 6 Charlie Heavy, Miami Tower, Causeway Terminus, last arrival, Heavy Boeing 767. Runway 12, clear to land. Traffic landing runway 9er, Boeing 737 will hold short of the intersection.
Miami is American 334, 8 miles.
American 334 Heavy, Miami Tower, Causeway Turbulence, Heavy Airbus short final, runway 12, clear to land, hold short of runway 9er, landing traffic Boeing 737.
Clear land 12, hold short, runway 9er, American 334 Heavy.
On NAV 12.
777 Heavy, Miami Tower, runway 12, clear to land, traffic landing runway 9er, and Embraer will hold short of the intersection.
Fifth and 12 clear to the Navy.
Target FNS version 5, Charlie Heavy for ILS on the 9 and speaker back to 160.
Inside Charlie Heavy, Miami Tower, reduce to your approach speed, runway 9er, clear to land.
Back to approach speed, clear land on the 9 version 5, Charlie.
Miami Tower, good afternoon, Capital 62 Heavy on final.
Through 962 Heavy, Miami Tower, runway 9er, clear land, traffic landing runway 12, Boeing 737 will hold short of the intersection.
Just Capital 962 Heavy.
American 39 Heavy, the ILS runway 9.
American 39 Heavy, Miami Tower, Causeway Terminus, and trail of a heavy Airbus 330, runway 9er, clear to land. Traffic landing runway 12, Boeing 737 will hold short of the intersection.
Clear to land runway 9, American 39 Heavy. Miami Tower, good
Northern Continental 1304, flight left runway 9 side.
Argentina 1304 heavy, Miami Tower wind 100 at 12, runway 9er, clear to land. Traffic landing runway 12 will hold short of your intersection.
Okay, thank you sir. Clear to land runway 9 Continental 1304. Tower North 7824 heavy, establishing double later.
Now 7824 heavy, Miami Tower wind 0013, runway 9er, clear to land.
Runway 9er, now 7824 heavy.
Proceeding traffic that I called is no factor, additional traffic 12 o'clock, 6 miles southbound.
Southbound 463, we're ready.
The 463 Super, roger, traffic's on the 2 mile final.
Okay, thank you. 360, Can I make a message? Did you give us the tower for American 2359?
American 2359, Miami Tower, wind 090 at 11, runway 9er, clear to land.
Clear to land on 9er, American 2359.
What approach you have set up? South 463 Super, runway 9er, line up and wait.
Runway 9 on
1124 to sun, maintain 1,500. 1,500. Your 4 from an S, maintain 1,500 close pass, and we'll fly to the ILS runway 9. 1,500. The 463 Super, fly heading 105, runway 9er, clear for takeoff.
South 463, runway 9er, flying 105, clear for takeoff.
Oscar 98 heavy, Miami Tower, runway 9er, line up and wait.
Good race, runway 9 on, strand 98 heavy.
5 mile final, contact the tower, 123.9 today. 23.9 and 180. Oscar 98 heavy, fly heading 105, runway 9er, clear for takeoff.
Takeoff runway 09, we fly heading 105, off strand 98 heavy.
Heavy, reduce to 210. 960, reduce to 210, then maintain 3,000.
American 234 Heavies with you for runway 9.
American 234 Heavy, Miami Tower, caution trailers for departing heavy, blowing 767. Wind 090 at 11, runway 9er, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 9er, American 234 Heavy.
860 Heavy, turn ready at 060, you're 5 from the net, maintain 1,500. You missed the last part. I gave you 10,000, so you continue to go fast if you like.
Hello Tower, Rockfloat 110, continue for runway 12.
Well, 110 Heavy, Miami Tower, traffic Airbus 320, departing runway 12, wind 090 at 9er, runway 12, clear to land.
Hello, runway 12, Rockfloat 110.
Wind check.
080 at 13.
Clear to land, runway 9, stay the rest for American 1088.
Traffic landing 12, hold short of 9.
Sure, American 1088.
Tower, good evenings with 64 Heavy, ILS 12.
64 Heavy, Miami approach, roger, reduce speed to 150, you're cleared to land runway 12, traffic will be departing runway 9er, traffic arriving 9er will also do runway.
Speed 150 and clear to land runway 12, 64 Heavy. Our 777 Juliet Heavy.
377 Juliet Heavy, traffic arriving 9er, hold 30 runway 12, clear to land.
Land runway 12, 777 Juliet Heavy. Tiger, good evening, 0.097 Heavy. Stop this LA runway 12.
Hey, Europe 097 Heavy, Miami Tower, you found Airbus 319, runway 12, clear to land.
Good line, 0.97 Heavy.